Making money with meme coins involves investing in or trading coins that gain popularity primarily through social media, trends, and community engagement rather than utility. Here's how you can potentially profit. Understand meme coins. Meme coins are cryptocurrencies inspired by memes or pop culture, like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. These coins usually gain attention and value due to viral moments or celebrity endorsements. They lack the utility or innovation of established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but can be highly speculative. Buy meme coins. To make money, first, buy meme coins through a cryptocurrency exchange. Choose coins with a large community or recent trending potential, but be cautious, as meme coins are volatile. Hold and wait for gains. Buy meme coins when their prices are low and hold them in anticipation of price spikes. The value often surges due to social media hype or trending news. Sell at a profit. When the price increases, sell your meme coins at a higher value. Monitor social media platforms like Twitter or Reddit for trends and news that could trigger price surges. Trade or flip coins. Some investors make money by actively trading meme coins. They buy during dips and sell during rallies to profit from price fluctuations.